Good morning, students. So, today we'll be studying about job advertisement in detail. We have seen earlier the other sources of external hiring, but we will focus more on the job advertisement because it's the most prominent and popularly used method or source of external recruitment. Now, why job advertising becomes important is it's one of the oldest method that has been used, and also the reach of the audience through advertisement is more than any other source of recruitment. And also, job advertising is like you're selling a job to the potential job seekers. So it becomes very important to learn the do's and don'ts of job advertisement, whether it is in newspaper, TVs, or radios. Any media, an effective ad will only attract the potential job seekers. If your ad is not effective, then you might lose out on potential job seekers applying to the vacant position. So the main aim of the job advertisement should always be to attract the interest of these job seekers. They should at least have a glance at your ad and look into it, and it should quickly and clearly communicate all the essential points which are pertaining to that job, like the job location, job title, responsibilities and salaries, etc. And the most important thing, it should provide a clear response process. So once the job seeker has gone through the advertisement, it is important to mention the acknowledgement process or the application process so that the potential job seeker can reach out to the organization. So let's look at what are the things which should be included for an effective job advertisement. So, elements of a job advertisement. So, the first one is job title. So, the job title is very important. Mostly, when we are advertising the job, we usually use catchy phrases or job titles. But make sure this job title is clear and easily understandable by the job seekers. It is something which they are familiar with. If you're posting an advertisement for an accountant, and if you become too creative and uh, too excited about the job, then you cannot post as number ninja. Okay, so make sure the titles which you're giving are understandable by the job seekers. They are familiar with these jobs and they have a basic idea what these job role offers. So job title should be clear and understandable. And the next thing is to mention the location of the job. Job location should be mentioned. One, it will because it will fetch you the candidates who are residing in that area, and also the chances of retaining these employees, the local residents, is more. And if you are providing this ad online also, it becomes easier to fetch the candidates who are looking to relocate to this location or looking for a job in this particular location. It's very convenient. And the third point is to have company description. Mostly what happens when you see the newspaper ad, they will usually be ads like we are hiring for accountant or accountants wanted, and there will be very little information about the company. Other than the name and the logo, you don't find much information about the company. But it is advisable to provide 2-3 lines of description about the company, which can really encourage the job seekers to apply to your company. It's like your selling point, wherein you can describe the um, benefits which are provided to employees or any unique thing about your organization which can attract the potential employees. And the fourth point, which is most important thing, is job duties and skills and qualification. So your job advertisement must and should have your job description and job specification. So job description is wherein you mention what are the duties and responsibilities which will be held in this job role, and the skills qualification or any kind of KSAs, that is knowledge, skills and abilities that a candidate must possess in order to do the job. So it is very important to mention these points as well. And the most important thing is salary. We all know we all work in order to earn, so the salary offered also becomes an important part. Usually when salary is not mentioned, you do get potential candidates. They do go through the entire selection process, the interview is done, and at the end, when they come to know the salary is not satisfactory, you'll have to drop the candidate, or the candidate himself rejects the organization. So this time can be saved. So this the time and effort from both the parties can be saved if you mention the salary, if they are okay with the type, or if you write it as negotiable, then they will come forward and apply, otherwise they will drop out. So you can really save on time. And the next point is to mention the benefits. So it's more important to mention about these benefits which you're providing to the employees than salary also. Why? Because see, every company will pay salaries. Sometimes even if the salary is less, but the benefit provided are lucrative and they're happy with it, then they will come to your organization. Benefits like if you're offering a flexible work environment or flexible work timing, and if you have recreational activities, outbound trips, or maternity benefits, paternity leaves, travel and leave expenses covered, or any other things, ESI, PF and all such things. So if you're mentioning about these benefits, so it is an added advantage over having a salary. So these things also attract the potential job seekers to your company. And the last and the most important thing is call for action. That is, call to action means once they have gone through your entire advertisement and they're interested to apply for the job, you should tell them the proper channel from how they can apply to the job, whom they can contact or where they can reach out in order to apply to that job. It can be your email address, website address, contact numbers, the date within which they have to apply, or the venue they have to go and attend the interview. So all these details have to be mentioned. So it is a real challenge to include all these job elements in a very less space that is provided in, whether it is newspaper or websites. The space provided is limited. Even in newspapers and radios, the slot provided is very limited, and all these elements have to be covered. Usually in newspapers, your television and radio, you'll hardly get a 30-second slot, and in that 30-second slot you have to cover all these elements of job advertisement so that it is effective and clearly communicated. So these are the elements of job advertisement.